Welcome to the channel. Today, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how to verify a service hub is fully updated. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, how do you verify that your Surface Hub is fully updated? So first of all, open settings on your Surface Hub and then navigate to update and security. Look for Windows Update to begin this verification process. Now, select check for updates and allow your device to search for available updates. The system will automatically download and install any pending updates. Multiple reboots and repeated update checks may also be necessary to check the latest build. Don't stop after the first check. Continue until there are no updates remaining. You can then navigate to settings, look for Surface Hub and about, and you can confirm your OS build number matches the latest Microsoft release to ensure that you're fully updated. There are some optional driver and firmware updates. So for these additional updates, search view optional updates in the taskbar, and these updates can improve device performance and stability. Though they're not mandatory for basic functionality, they will still increase the productivity.